Hey guys, George Adventure here. Today we have an Rtic 45 and I want to do an unboxing and my wife is videotaping. I just want to point that out. So, Bo, get down. This is my dad's Jeep knife. I figure I will open the Jeep cooler. So, hope I didn't miss it.
Can you just, let me just click
Do you know how you place open? Well, I mean, look, there's holes all in the boxes. Already, what the crap? Pay good money for these stuff. But yeah, their box is totally scratched and holy. What? Okay. So far, so good. Alright, so it's just this. Comes inside a plastic bag. Let's see. No stuff. I think it's a little dirty, but I think it's because it's white. Look at that. Scuffs. Scuffs. Good thing it was on clearance. Stickers put on like crap. Don't put babies in here. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you guys for stopping by the channel. This is George Adventure here. If you guys ever need tips or anything like that, anything to do with outdoors, hit me up in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.